Okay, so magandang gabi sa lahat ng Gigi natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan doon. Gigi Sunga. Ano? Pwede ba? Nagpwede? I think so. Anyway, so kanina katatapos natin ng leadership seminar, nag-share kasi ako ng kasaysayan ni Nehemiah. So, naisip ko lang na i-share sa inyo ngayon. Yung, why don't you try to rebuild the walls in your life? Baka kasi may mga broken walls tayo sa buhay. So, it's time to build that, diba? Mamaya papakilala ko pala sa inyo yung mga guests ko, pero tapusin ko lang yung vlog ko. Si Nehemiah kasi ganito nangyari, okay? He was working as cupbearer. So, siya yung naglilingkod sa isang hari. But one day, kinausap siya ng Panginoon at tinawag siya for a mission. Ang mission niya, that is to rebuild the wall of Israel. Kasi that time, nung kasi yung lugar mo, parang yung group, yung place mo, dapat cover siya ng wall. Okay? That is your protection over the enemies. So, syempre, because of the war, broken yung wall. So, it has to be rebuilt. Okay? And God is calling Nehemiah. Diba? God is calling Nehemiah to rebuild the wall. To rebuild the wall of Israel. Diba? Okay, so, naisip ko kanina, sometimes, may mga broken walls tayo na dapat i-rebuild. So, ano ba yung mga broken walls sa buhay natin na kailangan mo siyang i-rebuild? Yan ba ay wall of relationship? Baka kailangan mo i-rebuild relationship mo sa family, sa mga kaibigan mo, sa office work mo, sa best friend mo, sa wife mo, sa husband mo, or even sa yung boss. Baka may kailangan kang relationship na dapat i-rebuild. Right? So, ano pa? Baka yung wall of dreams kailangan i-rebuild. Diba? Baka yung dream mo, matagal na pero na-broken na siya, hindi ka na nakali, or hindi ka na nagtagumpay, na discouraged ka na. So, it's broken. So, baka kailangan mo i-rebuild yung wall ng dreams. Diba? Okay? 1008. Okay? And, you also, baka kailangan mo rebuild yung wall of your finances. Diba? Baka broken na yung finances mo. Baka wala kang pera. Diba? At it's, like ko sinasabi, 30, 40, wala pa tayong pera, wala kang investment, diba? So, break even lang ang buhay mo. So, you need to rebuild that, diba? You need to build that wall of your finances, okay? So, ano ba yung dapat natin i-build? I-build mo yung wall of your spiritual life. Baka mamaya, napapabayaan mo na yung ministry mo, napapabayaan mo na yung spiritual life mo, nasaan ka na ba at this point in time, diba? Baka masyado na tayong nahatak ng mundo. Sabi nga, nahatak na tayo ng sistema, di ba? So, ano yung spiritual life natin? Why don't you rebuild that? That wall, yung doing your mission. Sabi ko nga kagabi sa isang vlog ko, it's what if God is calling you for a purpose, for a mission. Okay? So, you have to rebuild that. Right? So, what else? Baka merong yung wall of spirit, or yung being yung masyado kang yung nasakom ka na, or you are in the bondage of sin, of your own weaknesses. You have to build that wall. Baka sobrang nagapi ka na ng temptation, sobrang nagapi ka na ng kasalanan, sobrang nagapi ka na ng mistakes sa buhay. So, wala, you're broken. Why don't you rebuild that? Okay? So, Believers, ito yung mga walls sa buhay natin. Si Lord, tinawag niya si Nehemiah para i-rebuild ang wall. Baka ikaw, God is calling you para i-rebuild ang sarili mo. Or sometimes, may ginagamit ang Panginoon. It can be your pastor, tinatawag siya para tulungan kang i-rebuild ang sarili mo. Or it can be your coach, it can be your parents, it can be your siblings, it can be the people around you that are willing to help you para tulungan kang i-rebuild yung walls. Right? So, believers, ano ba yung walls na dapat i-build? I-rebuild. It's time to rebuild that walls to make you secure, to have a secure and a happy life.